I know I'm telling you, I keep it cool and calm. Alright. Mr. Who name friends? Who name friends? In the day text and I go and I go around. So I video call him. I start talking on my face and look at my face and tell me who name friends. Them time me just come in from work. Hear him now, no. Hear him now, no. Hear how him cockatoo. Hear him now. See me? You know, so I think me know who you talk, but I don't saw the person name. Okay. Yeah. You know, me think me know who you talk, but I don't saw the person name. Yeah. Hear him now. Go on back on the comments. Me go look back on him picture and see if I say somebody name. Give yourself this one, you know. Because all the days when me know need me now go just scroll through the one bag and message them for I look for a woman. But that's like a woman that really exists in my memories. Because through me and him they're so cool and them show me attention and me not see a woman, so me not think about she. If me that think about she, no, would be a stalker. I would have stalk them in IG and would have read through the comment them to see who is she, or if me see nobody go comment something pertaining to being a woman. I not stalk her down. Him not do nothing in the way for me say alright, me I go stalk her down. Is when me see the story now, I come ask him who name France. Hear him to me, I give himself. He said to me, say, go and go look on the comments and a such name. Go and go look and tell me if a friend, if you see nobody the planet named France. That is when me go on him page and me start scroll. Cause who go scroll for true? Cause me want to know who is France for true. So that is when now when him tell me stuff, go on him page, me go on him page now and me scroll. When me scroll, me I say be a comment. You know people always like a comment for your picture, they might say, babe, me could not know you from nowhere. Or if me and your friend, me could not know you neither, me just know you on IG, me never say in a real life. I go comment and I go say, babe, this look good, or I go say boo, or I go say on, or I go say wife and them something. You know them look away there. But you know, oh, me find her so fast. Just by the F name. Because remember say me I say France and him I say no such name. So when me say the Francilla now, I'm sorry, then I share this. So I go up on her page now. I text her you know. I go up on her page now and I look through and them something. Remember I've been telling you enough times that I don't know we talk, but me even send one long voice note say I want somebody to love me. And I want one time one man go ask one time one girl go ask my man say you're single. Him can look on the girl and say no, I'm not single, I have my woman, just like what you did tell me. So I now really want this. Every time me and him vex, him just do something to just capture me back. You see me? So I didn't know, and I go up on her page, I see her, I just see a terrible type from see her. I know them I just see girl can just look on girl and eat them. I can't have to take your man for you eat them. I can't have to do nothing for you eat them. Me go road and just look on one girl and say, I don't like her. I never hear she talk. I never see she smile. And I just not like her, so I stay. I can't just look on you and like her. So from I go on her page, I just not like her. I just not like her. First thing, she just old. If you so considerate about the money when me give Neil and it give everybody in the house, why you never take the money and buy? Because right now your man hotter than you. But I like to see your man go road. Right now your man hotter than you as a girl. You're supposed to hotter than your man. That's where if you go. Your man Neil have more shoes than her. She have about two shoes she have. One pink and white. And for you go on her page, she just old fashioned. She have in red braid, full black suit, and this big blood clot pink and white shoes. All that much. We know the colors used to wear, but not in a 2020. You see me? So anyway, I never text her now. I go up and I forgot to tell you, the car never did end. Me and Neil and our mash mouth our camel toe. You ever see camel toe big and broad, so our mouth mash. But me not like still. She can't go on, because I see her on video. She not that ugly as me did see her on pic. I'm not going to be like, you know when girl, to be honest, she pretty still on video. Just on the video call I see. Because the picture that I see is very ugly. But when I see her on the video call, she could have gone. Anyways, now, me and Neil never did come off for the video call. We did still on video call. But you know, so when you come off a video call and like you're going in a message or you're going on Instagram or something, you go see the little red thing up there for show see you on a call same way down. So, when I done look out our page now, I click back on the thing, on the video call. You see me? When I go on the video call, I look at him and I say, Neil, I see a big comment, I see comment on our picture and them something there. And I say them a reply to comment. So I know so people know so them on Instagram and them something there. So when I go back on my WhatsApp now, I look when I touch about the video call thing. I look at him and I say, me, I always tell you I'm done, you know. I always tell you I'm done. I never do nothing for me to look upon and say I'm really done. But tonight now when I see all of this and the story when I see your mother post, me done completely. I'ma hang up my phone upon him, I'ma block him. You see me? I'ma block him out of my phone. Anyways, now, they know a girl phone and him something, them block him. As something normal, go Neil block me, Neil unblock me block him unblock me. And every time something that. So I unblock him now and said, Cha, I never cuss out him blood clot. So I unblock him and me and him did and we a cuss and thing. You see me? We a cuss and thing. When me a cuss to myself, I'm not cussing, me did a cuss. So my head just checked the blood clot. I said, no man. No. Me I go text her. I'ma like say this happen for open up me eye them for left Neil. Them say everything happen for a reason. I'ma believe it. Tell them about how him unblock it today and watch you out. Right, my son going at that nothing. You're going at every little details. Why does I go along in a one line nice? Neil, what me did which a while ago? I go cuss out her blood clot. Yeah, me like how everything happen for a reason. So them say everything happen for a reason. It must be a reason. I'm glad. Can you see if me never go texting woman and it start an argument, me and you would have go to the day. I'm not asking them, I tell you that. You hear? Francilla would in an argument with me and come live. Me would in an argument with Neil and Francilla and go live. Matter of fact, me and Neil never did an argument in the first place. I mean, Francilla. Me, all of this a drama here would start. So at the end of the day, Francilla would know say Neil I give she bond with me and so close with me. You see me? And me would even know about Francilla neither. My mind would have depend on her neither. Me and Neil would have depend right now. I can't tell you. See right now at this very moment, I would do the live. I get on video call with Neil and I get myself to get on with me and Neil get on video call right now if me never go on IG live. Just when me text her, I never disrespect her at the time, you know. I just send her one, I screenshot everything, every conversation that me and him have. You see me? I screenshot every conversation because if me a woman and me can say your woman did a rate you on IG and a post, your woman feel know what you do too. We all know say man cheat, we all know say man fuck up and fuck girl and do them something there. But them say seeing is believing. No care how you could have tell a girl say you know say a man a fuck on you. If a girl no see it, she not believe. Enough people out there not take ears and believe me a legit thing I sit down right to start tell you. A whole heap of girl. I know a girl I can't text them right now and say a man a girl, but girl wants a screen record, girl wants a screenshot, girl wants some type of proof. Girl wants to see something what she knows a film one and he left it there. You see me? So she see what her man do too. I'm not lie. Me see. So them have a conversation for IG babe who wanna request. She see too. She know what I'm going to. You know think so. So I screenshot all of the message them the conversation we have. Me no want be no side liar nothing. I'm glad say it happen. So it open. Cause remember you know people, as I said earlier, I've been telling me say I want go away, me no want it. Which simple means say deep down me want left because me no want get hurt, but the next deep down me I get love him. So it just me want left and because I love him, me no want left. If you understand me, I say someone if you just stop act childish and just understand and know say I truth get attack. Want left him in love. When me do left him now, I ignore him message them, I not call him, I not text him, I sit down and I wonder. I say, blood can't. Mr. Jesus, look how that on video. You know, I just get missing when I tell him so I not deal with him. You see me? I just get missing. I say, cha, but I text him back. Bap a weed that again. So when me go in and girlfriend DM now, I send her one bag of the screenshot, them on my screenshot, I'ma send them. Eh, that's it. We can't bother with that, you know, that's disgusting. When I send the girl the screenshot them now, I say, well, see it then now. Me and your man there. Or you probably know say you and your man there, but how you feel about all of this? I'm just say, I said that, no miss the boy, don't you see me attack. Mama tell, I that was on Jamaican now. You see when you be yourself and you see when you be truthful and you talk the truth, you're gonna miss somebody or you want back somebody. And that, you know, and that with on Jamaican. When you just be plain and you know you talk truth and you talk truth for everything and you're not butt out nothing and you're not adding nothing and the truth is the truth and the truth might feel a little saddish. You hear them say you want back the boy. Or you hear say you miss the boy. When you be yourself and you just talk your mind and say you're hype or them say you're mad. If a boy fuck me, I'm going to come on live and I say, blood clot, I'm tell one of my friends. Probably not even have to come on live. I just sit down and visit one of my friends. I'm say, you know, so that boy that did shot me, I'm mad because I can't tell the truth and sit down and reason with my friend and say, you know, so the boy shot me, yes, tell me mad. I sit down and tell my friend, say, you know, so that I did shot that boy that wood and it tastes so good. And to how I sit down and I express myself and I do my face expression them and I tell you how I suck the wood, me a mad girl. Me mad because why you be yourself. When you tell lie now, you then say you're too blood clot lie. You know if you just go, man, just go and leave me alone, mama.